To invest in iShares TIPS ETF, you need to understand what it is and how it works. The iShares TIPS ETF is an exchange-traded fund that tracks the performance of the U.S. Treasury Inflation-Protected Securities Index, providing a hedge against inflation. First, you need to open a brokerage account with a reputable online broker, such as Fidelity or Vanguard. This account will allow you to buy and sell ETFs, including the iShares TIPS ETF. Next, you need to fund your brokerage account by depositing money into it. You can do this by transferring funds from your bank account or by mailing a check. Once your account is funded, you can search for the iShares TIPS ETF by its ticker symbol, TIP. You can then enter the number of shares you want to buy and the price at which you want to buy them. It is essential to understand the risks and benefits associated with investing in the iShares TIPS ETF. Since the ETF tracks the performance of Treasury inflation-protected securities, it provides a relatively low-risk investment option. However, the returns may be lower than those of other investments, such as stocks. To get the most out of your investment, it is crucial to have a long-term perspective and to diversify your portfolio by investing in different asset classes. You should also keep an eye on inflation expectations and adjust your investment strategy accordingly. In addition to understanding the investment itself, you should also be aware of the fees associated with the iShares TIPS ETF. The ETF has an expense ratio of 0.19%, which means that for every $100 you invest, you will pay 19 cents in fees per year. Overall, investing in the iShares TIPS ETF can be a great way to hedge against inflation and diversify your portfolio. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can make an informed investment decision and achieve your financial goals.